amazing. He's one hit. I'm finally gonna get the W for the first time in my entire existence. Wait, no, is that the phone? No.
Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. We hope you guys are having an awesome week so far, that things are going really great. We hope the weather indoors has been treating you guys well. Just as a quick reminder, we do have our giveaway going on, so you guys should check back a couple of videos. We're going to be announcing that in Thursday's video.
So you have till tomorrow night to submit.
Today's verse comes from Galatians chapter 6, verse 2. Carry each other's burdens, and in this way you will fulfill the law of Christ. It's so simple. Doesn't it sound so easy when we just read it? It says carry each other's burdens. Like some days I'm not sure I can carry my own, right? Never mind like carrying on everybody else's too. But it is what we're called to do. Now we know obviously that Jesus carried the ultimate burden, right? Like he died for us and for our sin. And this verse isn't saying to let the weight of the world weigh you down. But it's talking about supporting each other. It's talking about lifting each other up, supporting each other in our burdens.
When I look at the people that I've grown closest to, it's the people that I feel like we have shared in suffering, whether we struggled through something together, or if they had a struggle and I helped them through it, or if I had a struggle and they helped me through it. It can sound like an intimidating thing and not a very fun thing to share each other's burdens, but it actually can be a really beautiful thing.
Can allow us to create deeper bonds of friendship and community. So that's what we challenge you guys with. Look into your family, your friends, your communities, and see how you can shoulder some of those burdens that your group may be struggling with. So for today's fun slot, we're actually going to do a stop motion animation because it's really fun and you guys should try it out. There's an app that we're using and we're going to put that link down in the description for you.
The app we used is free. It does have bonus features that you can pay for, but we just made ours with the basic.
We're going to show you just a little bit of footage of us putting the video together, and then we're going to finish up by showing you our little animation video. So we hope you guys enjoy. It's going to look like she's dragging a dead body out.
Now we need to leave her like that.
It's dark.
Professional lighting.
There, let's do that. Is it done?
End scene.
Alright, end scene.
You know what influenced me? Dinosaur.
Get the structural dino in.
I just can't wait to see what that new Duck Hypnotist series is all about.
Welcome to show. I be Duck Hypnotist. When you wake, when you hear phone ring, you turn into dinosaur. Mwahahaha.
I just love starting the day with eating my breakfast outside. It's so beautiful and peaceful out here. It's the perfect day.
Wait, cereal?
Wait, what? This is so tragic. This day is really turning around. Look, I'm almost done with my paperwork. Then I can go home early. Yay! It's all done. Now I can have bubble tea with my friends.
I hate organization.
Wait, what? Now I have to stay later. Wait, this is amazing. He's one hit. I'm finally gonna get the W for the first time in my entire existence. Wait, no, is that the phone? No.
Cat headset? Well, I don't like it.
I was gonna win for the first time ever. I'm so sad. What am I gonna do?
Wait, I can help you.
How can you help me?
Cause I'm a magic duck, and I can release that dinosaur from inside you.
Oh my goodness! Not only did you release the dinosaur and free me from the curse, you also gave me a friend.
So what do you guys think? Great, I agree. It was awesome. For just like a couple of minutes worth of video, for the sheer amount of time we put into taking each individual shot. but that's okay. You guys should give it a go, make your own animation videos, and let us see them, because I always like a good laugh. Reminder, don't forget, it's coming really close to our giveaway. That's going to be in Thursday's video, so you still have time. Work your way back to the giveaway video if you've not yet put a comment on it to be in for your chance to win some swag. But otherwise, we will see everybody tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.